In today's episode of Throwback Thursday, I was in Portland, Oregon area helping someone fix a cylinder head they had on a Volvo. Man, somebody had stripped out a bunch of screw bolts on the top of that cam cover. That thing was leaking oil externally as well as internally, and it was a mess. But we installed some time certs in it, got that car back on the road. Time certs is my favorite. I never did, I don't know what they call those things, uh, helicoils or something like that. I think time certs in especially delicate places like a cylinder head would be a better option. Other than that, don't forget there's merch on the website. I also am posting a multitude of shorts, answering questions in shorts. And then if you want to see some of my stories, you can go to my Patreon account. Sign in there. There's no fee for it, but I got some shorts. I have some stories that I'm posting there. So I hope you all enjoy those. Trying to post them every Saturday, but if I miss a Saturday, it won't show the next one until the next Saturday. So, hope you're having a great day. Stay safe out here in this crazy weather, and thanks for checking in.